Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 515 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, so let's enter the menu just by using this middle button, go to the right and select. Here we have to enter the settings, which are on the screen in the left lower corner, so we have to use the left button here, the left action button. And now let's simply go down to find the default icon. Right now we can confirm it. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you want to restore the camera settings to the default state. So if you want to, just confirm it with a middle button. And as you can see, we've got the information that the camera camera settings have been reset. What is more, here we've got the visual evidence that the reset option worked. I'm not really sure if you've noticed that, but I had the grid lines applied, and after resetting they disappeared, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset camera preferences in your Nokia 515. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.